Welcome to part 6 of my DIY backyard project. If you have missed the previous progress, check them out in the description. Last time I showed you how I framed the deck, but I forgot to share some DIY tips on how to notch the 6x6 post. The first method is to use a miter saw and a handsaw. Certainly, this requires less skills. All you have to do is to use brute force, but you do need to have some strength. This is ready to go. Pretty straight, eh? For me, I prefer this method if you are using this for the post beams to support the deck frame. The surface is a little bit rough, but it is strict enough. The second method is to use circular saw, chisel, and block plane. You will get better precision using this method. You don't need a lot of strength, but you do need more tools and some skills. The result is amazing. For me, I would use this on Pergola and privacy screen. Finally, the third method is to use reciprocating saw. This is by far the worst in my opinion. I have this expensive blade made in Italy, but it doesn't help. I mean, it is very fast, but the result is not as good as you expected. The reason is that the blade is moving so much when it is in decent speed, and you will never get a perfect straight line. I have been through all that. I did not like the result. I hope that helps. There is another DIY tips I want to share with you. To prevent from getting sunburn in summertime, I made this mobile shade. Just use a couple of plastic ties to secure the beach umbrella to the hand truck. It is very handy. Okay, let's continue the project on building the bridge. To recap my design, I am building a simple bridge between two decks. I am using 2x10 and cutting off the bottom just like that. I need one for each side. This will carry all the load and transfer to the flush beam on the deck. There is some unexpected issue related to the helical pile saddle. As you can see, I needed to use the chisel to get rid of some of the wood in order for it to fit. Just a reminder, do not use deck screws for the joist on the bridge. You do need to use joist hangers and structural screws. I spaced the joist with 12-inch on center. If you follow what I did, the result will be a rock-solid bridge. I put it to the test by jumping onto it. Building a bridge on non-cantilever deck is much stronger. If you want to learn about the difference, check it out on part 4. Next time, I will start building the custom pergola. There is a big question. Do you need footings for the pergola? Or do you just attach it to the deck? I will talk about that. If you think this is helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see the progress of this crazy DIY project, remember to subscribe. If you love DIY, remember to check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.